Double check. No, no. Don't no punchy.
Check this one. This one.
The kids are still there. When is it gonna go away?
Look at the big weight on that tire.
Yeah. Why it looks so small when you take it out? Look at that. It's wide and big. It's tricking my eyes. What did you do? What did you do? Huh? What is that? Tires? Tire.
Julia, give me that lug nut over there.
What is it?
Right there. Give me that.
What's the magnet for, Daddy? What is the magnet for? What do you have magnet in there?
Where?
Right there.
That's weights to balance the tires
Oh, okay.
so they don't shake. See, there's a weight there, and there should be one more inside. Is there?
Only one.
Oh, there's two right there, see?
Oh, small and big. Okay.
Oh.
Another one? Oh my god. Oh, it's a stone or a little stone. I guess so.
What the fuck is that?
It's part of the tire. I'm trying to take something else. Hope it's not another nail. Where the hell that nail came from?
Oh, well, this one's deep.
I hold it.
We better leave that one alone. I think I'll take this one to a tire station and get it fixed, okay? This one's in the tire.
Is the head
Oh,
down?
no, it ain't. Look,
No, it's
feel
just-
it.
It's a stone, sharp stone. It's a hole now.
No, it's not all the way through. It's just right
Oh.
there. Look, see? It's not. Whose car door? Whose car door was that?
Joya went back inside. She stole my key.
Who did?
Joya.
Alright. Hold this tire for me.
How did it go through the stupid nail? Tire rotation time.
What is it, Mom?
It's right there. You see?
What is it?
Yeah.
Put tires?
Nail or something. Whoa.
Did you put it back in park, won't you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
That's loud.
Ways to do that.
You didn't bend anything?
No, perfect.